Well, good afternoon. It is Monday afternoon, and I usually stream on Monday on my gaming channel at 5:30 a.m. between 5:30 and 6. But I needed the sleep last night. We're watching House of the Dragon. We're eating like hamburgers at like 9 o'clock. So I decided to go live in the afternoon for a little lunchtime stream for the gaming people. So this is the setup. This is what I see when I'm going live. I have my monitor on one screen, and then I have all the chat and all of my settings on another, and then my Nintendo Switch and my GameCube are over there. Oh, I'm also opening stuff from my P.O. box, so we're doing all kinds of fun stuff today. I am glad to be back streaming. I usually try to stream 2 times a week on my gaming channel, but this month, since it's Vlogtober, I'm only doing once a week, but excited to be back in November doing it twice a week. But so if you were watching this live, say hi to Vlogtober! Say hi! Hello. Welcome to the vlog. I don't know if these clips are going to be a little bit out of order maybe, but I finished the stream, and in the stream I talked about my trip to Salem this weekend and what happened, and here is the clip. I've been resting for like the last 24 hours or so Saturday. Okay, I had a nightmare time in Salem, Massachusetts on Saturday. I'll tell you right now before the vlog gets to vlog gets a preview of my like hardcore Saturday. So I thought, wouldn't it be a fun Vlogtober idea to go to Salem? It's spooky. There's people in costumes. It'll be so great for the vlog, right? Wrong. And you know why? I completely forgot that in mid-October, everyone and their mother is there. 40 minutes looking for parking. 40 minutes driving around in bumper-to-bumper traffic, by the way, looking for parking. People everywhere. And we finally parked in a shady parking lot where they took cash only. And it was like being in Disney World in July. And I was like, we're going to be here for an hour and we're going to go home. It's only like 23 miles away from where I live right now in Boston. It was not a good idea. And I've made the mistake of going to Salem in mid-October before, but I had forgotten. Disney has so much more parking than Salem though. Moon, where's the lie? Where is the lie? That's what after that, I was like, you know what? No vlog today. And no vlogs for the rest of the weekend because I'm tapped out. It's worth checking out, but don't go in October. And if you go in October, go first thing in the morning when there's no one else there, okay? Just don't do it. Just wait till November. Just no October. Salem's really fun and cool. So I got some Salem footage, and I'm going to edit it today, and we're going to have a chat, and it's going to be the vlog. Mickey Mouse voice, don't do it. So after that debacle, I just needed a little bit of downtime because I had been so busy doing a bunch of other things. On Thursday, I spent the whole day organizing at a friend's house, and then on Friday I had a fundraiser that I was both performing at and just hanging out at, and Saturday we had that whole thing at in Salem, and it just got to be a lot. So I spent most of Sunday kind of doing nothing. We walked the dog. We went to Walgreens. It was very uneventful. We took a walk to our closest Walgreens, and we took the dog with us. We had a little dog walk, and it was an excuse to go 2 miles. And we discovered there's a bunch of fun restaurants and stores near our house. We can go to a yoga studio I wanted to check out. So we were just kind of exploring our neighborhood in a different direction. We usually walk in one direction, but we walked in a different direction on Sunday just to explore the new things around us, because we've lived in this particular neighborhood for a year now, and we're very familiar about what's going on over there and up there, but not over there. So we checked out that place and we had a really nice walk together, and my husband and I were just spending some time together over the weekend, and I thought it was really nice. And I think it's really important to remember that even though work's really important and like the vlog's really important, that it's also really important for me to take some time off and chill out a little bit, because this morning I feel really, not this morning, it's like afternoon, I feel really rejuvenated and ready to take on like a bunch of new things. So I do think that I should be more mindful about taking breaks. And the thing about it that makes it very difficult for me is, and if you've been watching my channel, you know this, but I am quite the busybody. And if I'm not like doing something or like thinking of something or like making a list or like cleaning up something or doing the laundry or organizing something, I have a hard time with it. Like I'm like, ooh, I should be doing something. And I think that comes from the just acting as an entrepreneur, just doing entrepreneurial stuff. You feel like you can't turn it off, and it's good for your business, but it's not really good for trying to develop a nice work-life balance. So even when I'm like resting, I'm thinking about like, oh, I have a video idea, and then you're like, well, I should write that down before I forget it, so you write it down, and then there's a whole, so my goal over the next few weeks is to have a heart out for work. Hold me to it, hold me accountable, heart out, like stop the whole thing. So, because I feel so good today. So I think I'm gonna take some more time to myself. I think it'll be doable, and I think that I'll be able to keep up if I just do a little more in advance, and then I'll just chill, something like that. Anyway, so because of the whole Salem debacle, my vlog from Salem is not the best. There's not a lot of like footage of really cool Salem stuff, as if I was there on like a weekday or a day where there are fewer people there. However, I'm still gonna put the footage here, put a little spooky fun music on it. If you've never seen Salem, Massachusetts, it is a very beautiful town, full of history, and very festive this time of year. I'm so sorry I didn't capture the best Salem that I could possibly. There's so many more wonderful Salem vlogs on YouTube, but this is mine. So enjoy the Salem vlog, and I will see you tomorrow. So take care of yourselves and the ones around you, and I'll see you next time. Hello, we are in Salem today, and it took us like 40 minutes to find a parking space. It is a nightmare, but we're here in Salem for y'all. So enjoy our Salem vlog.
Washington slept here. But in fact he did in 1789 when his Excellency came to visit Salem, as well he might, for the richest city in the country back in those days, and he spent several nights